Hi, my name is Barbara Harmon, and I am principal of Germantown High School. I would like to welcome you to our open house. I am thrilled that you have decided to spend your time with us tonight and to take this opportunity to meet your students, teachers, along with seeing our campus. While you're here tonight, drop by our TV studio in the back hall of downstairs V building for a tour of our studio. You will be impressed. Please look for the PTSO tables in A lobby and join. Seniors can pay for their senior celebration fees at the PTSO tables too. Our Parents and Teachers Association support and advocate for our school and our students. Again, thanks for coming, and I hope you have an opportunity to meet all of your students' teachers.
Hi, my name is Marvin Townsend. I'm the Vice Principal of Germantown High School. Thank you for coming out tonight. Your presence means a lot to our students, our faculty, and demonstrates your commitment and support to our school. I'd like to lay out the plan for the evening. After the short video introductions are complete, please feel free to tour the campus and visit your students' classrooms in any order you wish until 7:30. Remember, tonight is for introductions, meeting your students' teachers, and seeing our campus. It is not a parent-teacher conference night. Parent-teacher conference night will take place on Thursday, September the 19th from 3 to 6 p.m. You may sign up tonight for those conferences by visiting your teacher's classes. Before then, if you need a conference, please contact the guidance office either by email or calling. Also, on September the 19th, we will have the senior parent night in the varsity gym starting at 7 p.m. We're fortunate to have 2 Shelby County Sheriff's officers on property every day, along with a Germantown police officer and a Shelby County security officer on campus to monitor over 150 cameras and operate our automated door system, plus 4 campus monitors. Shelby County Schools is working daily for safety and security. Please look for the PTSO table tonight and join if you have not already. They're very active in Germantown High School. I'd like to give a huge thank you to the beautification team, Hope Church, Germantown Athletics, the Alumni Association, and the community for their hard work and dedication to making our campus look great. Once again, thank you for coming out tonight. Have a great evening. I look forward to seeing you on campus.
And good evening. My name is Dr. Gore. I'm the 11th grade administrator. So if your 11th grader has any issues, feel free to reach out. My information is below. Additionally, I run the school website, so whether your child is in 11th grade or not, if there are any awards or accomplishments that we can feature on the website, I'd love for you to send those to me so we can help show off what great kids we have here at GHS.
Good evening and welcome to Germantown High School. My name is Blake Waddell, Assistant Principal for 12th grade, Athletics, and Testing. Please feel free to contact me at any time, and I hope you have a wonderful evening.
Good evening. Thank you for coming this evening. My name is Rose Clemenson. I'm the 9th grade guidance counselor. Feel free to call me or to email me, and I want to leave you with one little message. There are no shortcuts in the pursuit of excellence, and we are happy to have your children, and that is our goal. We are going to get them at the end of the year to where they need to be, ready for the next grade level. Thank you again for coming.
Good evening, and welcome to our open house. My name is Ms. Lee, the 10th grade counselor, and I look forward to working with you parents and sophomores this school year. My contact information is listed below, so please feel free to contact me anytime you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for coming out tonight, and I hope you have a great evening.
Good evening. Welcome to Open House. I'm Dr. Willingham, the 11th grade counselor. 11th graders at Germantown High School will be focused on knowing their status toward graduation, earning their credits toward graduation, getting ready for the ACT, and maintaining or improving their GPAs. We're going to have a great year.
My name is FRAN, and I'm the senior counselor. We look forward to seeing you tonight for senior parent night right after open house at 7 o'clock promptly in V Gym. Thank you for coming.
Hello, I'm Ms. Norman. I'm the College and Career Counselor for Germantown High School. My role as the College and Career Counselor is to assist students with their post-secondary plans. During a planning session, a student will process the steps towards post-secondary opportunities. That includes taking a career assessment, identifying colleges and universities of their interest, and developing a career readiness plan.
Good evening. I'm Dr. Melinda Keller, and I'm the director of the International Baccalaureate Program, one of 2 optional programs that are available at Germantown High School. The International Baccalaureate Program is the most academically rigorous course of study in the world. Last year, our seniors earned an average of $600,000 each in college scholarships. Admission to the International Baccalaureate program is by application only. In order to qualify for admission, students must, at a minimum, score above the 80th percentile on a nationally normed test and have no more than 1 grade of C for a semester average. More details about this program may be found on the Germantown High School webpage, or you may contact me directly.
Hi, my name is Martha Morris. I'm happy to be the International Baccalaureate Counselor here at Germantown High School. Dr. Keller and I work with all 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th graders who are pursuing the International Baccalaureate Diploma. I'm readily available by email, by phone, or come by my office, which is in M Building. Have a great evening.
Good evening. I'm Allison Long, and I'm the director of the Creative and Performing Arts program. Students who choose to be a part of the Creative and Performing Arts program commit to 4 years of studying their art of choice: instrumental music, including strings, choral music, visual art, theater arts, or film and video. Our program has an extensive list of alumni who have found great success not only in the arts, but also other areas as well. Applicants must meet specific academic requirements and take part in an interview and audition before becoming part of the program. If you are a parent of a student or a student who is interested in applying to be a part of our program, please come find me. You may also visit ghskappa.com for more information, or you can call our office at 901-755-7775.
Hello, and welcome to Germantown High School. My name is Kim Douglas, Assistant Principal in charge of bullying, new teachers, 504s, and emergency management. Feel free to contact me at any time, and I hope you have a great night.
Welcome, GHS families. My name is Janelle Beard Phillips, and I'm your Germantown High School PTSO President. I'm excited that you have chosen GHS and would like to welcome you to volunteer on our PTSO board. Whether you can volunteer for a specific event or give more time to special projects, we welcome your support and encouragement. Some of the things PTSO provide include funding for ongoing school programs that benefit the entire student body, supporting arts through education with the Reflections in Citizenship contests, college scholarships, supporting your students' classrooms and teachers by providing necessary equipment and supplies. Please consider becoming a GHS PTSO member. Underclassmen family memberships include 3 student appreciation events throughout the year, Germantown High School G t-shirt, hot flash weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly email newsletters, which keep you informed of the happenings on campus and with your Parent-Student Association, PTSO. Underclassmen dues are $25 per family. Senior memberships include Senior Celebration Week, April 2020, which is a fun-filled week dedicated to seniors, Senior Brunch, Senior Picnic, Personalized Yearbook, 3 student appreciation events throughout the year, Germantown High School G camo t-shirt, as well as hot flash email communication. Senior dues are $150. Show your school spirit and purchase a special GHS PTSO t-shirt. It is my pleasure to welcome you as GHS PTSO President to another great year at Germantown High School.